Looking to enhance your video or photography setup? Check out Lomtap's LED Studio Lights, a budget-friendly choice for TikTok, YouTube, live streaming, and more. This setup includes 2 LED lights, 2 smartphone holders, a remote, ball mounts, and 2 6-foot stands, and a carrying bag for easy setup on the go. Designed with ease of use in mind, it's perfect for both beginners and seasoned content creators. Expanding the 6-foot stand is simple with just a quick turn of a few knobs. Attaching the ball mount to the LED light, securing it to the top of the stand has never been easier. The phone holder connects to the clamp, which is easily attached to the stand, giving you a versatile setup that can be used for a key light, fill light, or even a backlight. With 35 watts of power and a high CRI of 95+, these lights deliver bright, adjustable illumination, ensuring accurate color and stunning videos and photos. You can fine-tune the lighting with 3 color temperatures by a single press of a button, adjusting the color temperature from 2800 Kelvin to 6800 Kelvin, whether you're after a warm glow or a crisp daylight effect. Plus, there's a memory function that saves the last setting for added convenience. Let's talk about the cons. For the LED sensors, if the lights are too close, adjusting one can affect both. If they're too far apart, matching the colors and brightness can be annoying. The ball heads tend to wear out over time, but can be easily replaced. I also had an issue with the bag when the zipper broke, and the company didn't respond when I tried contacting them. Overall, if you're on a budget and you can find a discount, it might still be worth buying. You can get Lomtap's LED Studio Lights on Amazon for around $40 to $50. The price is currently on the higher side, but Prime Day sales is coming up and it might drop. So what do you think? For me, my lighting was pretty bad, and this definitely did the trick. I hope this video helps, and I hope to see you in the next one.